Glamzilla into Bridezilla.
Are you ready for some yummy skin?
Oh, yes, I am. Let's get started.
I believe in multi-priming. So different primers, different purposes, different areas of the face. Are you ready?
That makes sense. All right, let me see it in action. She blurs my T-zone, and she just did this side of my nose, and I want to show you.
This is the same exact Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder, but it's a tinted version. So this is closer to the tone of your skin tone, so you're getting all the same ingredient story, the same effects, but with a little bit of pigment to help like cover redness or boost the coverage of your foundation.
Let's see the difference. Okay, yeah, and that's just primer.
Yep. So we're multi-priming using different primers in different areas of the face, giving you what you need where you need it.
Blurred right here. The T-zone is completely blurred. And that's glow, baby.
So when I use concealer, I usually put it a lot lower and I blend up. This helps prevent creasing, and it also helps it to look natural, because for makeup to look natural, it needs to mimic what your face naturally does. This shading underneath your eye contributes to the shape of your eye. If I blank it out, it looks unnatural. It's not the natural curve. So the key is to preserve the natural contours, right? And so I'm gonna leave this here, and then I'll blend up, and it'll look so much more natural in the end.
I really like how you think
Thank you.
and explain things, because it makes so much sense.
Thank you. So I'm gonna add like a little flush of color onto the skin using Color Fix. And this is gonna live underneath the makeup, but this is just almost like priming your blush. This.
Why did you choose that color?
This, I mean, I see it in your skin. I'm kind of like seeing what I...
Yes!
Yeah.
Hold on. The blush she used is the same exact tone of my natural redness.
Yeah.
Color Fix. Latte. That's my discoloration color. And you're using it to color.
Because I feel like the body will give you clues for all the shades that you need to use. So every tone that I'm using, I see it in your body. But you're just applying it in a more refined, balanced way.
I would have never done this color, but it makes so much sense.
It's so you, like all the tones are there already.
Like it's the same color as my lips.
Yes.
Color
This
Fix.
is Color Fix. This is the clear glaze, the iconic clear glaze.
No, this is the most beautiful lip I have ever seen.
Shut up.
Yeah, it's like dare I say
it.
porn star lips.
Ah! Just say it. Just say it.
No,
It's
no.
crazy.
Danessa gave me DSL. Danessa sexy lips.
Yeah!
You nasty! You nasty!
I love that.
I love this. Like, I love this lip. No, I love this lip.
From Glamzilla to Bridezilla. Look at that yummy skin.
Oh, I am into this. My love, thank you for sharing your artistry with me.
Thank you for coming.
This was an unreal experience.
No, this was amazing for me. I adore you.